Do you know that you can earn up to like $80, $40 in a week to chat with lonely people? Yes, this application is for you to be chatting only. Just sit down in the comfort of your home and chat with people. As you can see in the profile, it's showing send a message. Once you send a message to this person, he's going to reply you. And once you reply, you are earning diamond for it. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step and how you are going to be earning and what you are going to do to gain more people to chat with. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, you are very much welcome. In this channel, we talk about how to make money online. So if you are looking for a way to add more income to your earnings, like a side hustle, this channel is for you because we have lots of updates for you. So only thing you have to do is watch the videos, go to my page and check all the videos I have. Choose the one you know that you can work well on. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, send it a thumbs up, and don't forget to also share it so that more people can see this and also benefit from it. Let's get started. Those that are shy in camera, those people that doesn't want to go online, go stream public, like you don't want to show your face, you just want to be chatting. This is only chatting. And this application is very good if you are serious replying to messages, sending messages like this to people, to users in your profile, and you are replying them on time. You'll be earning like $50 in a week. But the secret is you need to spend like 3 to 4 hours online. Not that you just spend like 30 minutes. So people will just do 20 minutes and they will leave. You need to this is what they are going to be doing every day. You chat with new people and you get some diamond, but this is not where the main earning is. Your main earning is here to your dashboard. Then you click on chat. Let's send a message to this person. And mind you, then the message they are to send to them is, make sure the message is something like this, something nasty. If you just say hi, some people they will not reply you. So you need to send them a message that will make them, once they read that message, they will be able to reply you if they like it. So let me send to another person. This is all you are just going to be doing. Then the person can decide to call you. They also make an audio call and video call, so they can call you if the person likes your conversation. You send to another person. So this is only thing they are going to do. It's very easy. This place is very easy, very easy to earn. You don't need to go live or do matching. Just sit and chat. So like this, send messages to as many people as you can, not just 5 people, not just 10 people. You can even send like 200 messages a day. Out of that 100 can reply you and they can call you as well. So once the person replies, then you have to chat the person back immediately. That is how you earn your points. So now, how to withdraw? Click on your wallet, click on income, then withdraw. Now this is the amount of coin that you are going to withdraw. Once your diamond is up to 10,000, it's $2. 25,000 diamond is $5, and then 50,000 diamond is $10. And you can achieve this within 1 day if you are giving it your full time. The link is in the comment section and in the description box. Download it and send your ID to me.